just finished up the install on this Mercedes ML for the Apple CarPlay and reversing camera. So we'll go into the vehicle now. This will be the Apple CarPlay that's on here. Now to operate through here, as you can see, we are wirelessly through on the screen here. Now we can go through maps, which will give us our maps and stuff through here as well. We have Spotify for our music, which will be playing through here. We also have your recent phone calls, keypad for dialing out. Now on here, on the far left hand side, we will all have the 3 most recently used apps, one for phone calls and messaging, one for music, and one for maps. Obviously if you use Waze, this icon will change to Waze instead, vice versa. This gives you a split screen on here. To go in and out of the menu, we press and hold the return button on the very back. So we press and hold and it will go back to your normal Bluetooth unit. Obviously if we press and hold here, it will return to your normal unit there. As you can see before, Apple CarPlay is on here. If I load up Spotify to show you it's working, if we change the track has now changed up on here. We've also fitted reversing camera to the system, so if I put the foot on the brake and put the car into reverse, the unit switches over, gives us the reversing camera. Also does operation, so turning the steering wheel left and right, it will display the orientation through there. Once you return to your driving, it will return back to your normal CarPlay unit. This works for Apple and Android, wired and wireless versions as well. So if we go to the rear of the vehicle now, we'll show you the camera. The camera we have placed is directly here for you. So it's a small, discreet camera. From afar, you don't even notice you have one there. That's the system available in this ML.